Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And if you are already a member of the free Telegram community, then you must already know my thoughts on gold. That we are really messed up with gold right now. But still, you can see that I have drawn many lines here on the chart. So let's unfold the trading opportunities for the day. We can see gold hovers near 2-week high. Gold is to around 3380 per ounce on Wednesday, but held near a 2-week high supported by a safety apple amid concerns over the Federal Reserve's independence. And this is the chart of gold in front of us. So if you look at the market structure here technically, then we can see that gold has shown a structural change here, and as of now, though the chart is a little bit confusing, but the market structure is bullish. There is no doubt about it, because market is forming higher highs and higher lows, and formation of higher highs and higher lows indicate the dominance of buyers over the sellers. During the day, if the market structure changes, then obviously we will see a little bit of a reversal on gold, but as of now, market is bullish and there is no denial. But we also need to consider the fact that on the daily chart, gold is sideways. Gold is trading in a narrow range, and this is the main reason why there is a frequent change of trend on gold recently on lower time frames. For example, if you're a day trader, you have seen, or you must have observed, that every day there is a new trend, because on the higher time frame, gold is stuck in a range. Means there is a strong support or resistance. When gold hits a resistance, it reverses. When gold hits the bottom, it again reverses. So this is the main reason we are seeing or witnessing frequent trend change on gold. To understand the picture better, you can look at the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and now you can see that really gold's chart is choppy, and obviously this is not an ideal chart for trading, but we love to trade on gold. Can't help it, isn't it? So in a market condition like this, you need to trade from level to level, because if you're a swing trader or if you're planning to hold a position for the next few days, then obviously this is not the ideal chart, because after a few days you will see a reversal. So in a market condition like this, level to level trading is the best option. After a few days, if gold breaks 3450, 3500, then you can look for an upside. Or if gold drops below 3250, 3300, gold is under pressure, then you can hold a sell position. But as of now, there is no denial that on the higher time frame, gold is stuck in a range, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. On lower time frame, gold is bullish as of now, but during the US session, if the trend changes, do not be surprised, because on higher time frame, gold is sideways. Anyways, as I have already mentioned in a morning post, that I have a buy on gold right now. Yes, I do have a buy on gold right now. And I am expecting a little bit of upside here. Initially when I entered on a buy position on 79, I was expecting upside at least till 3390. And if the position goes wrong, if the selling continues, then I will exit below 73. This is my ongoing trade right now. Let's wait and watch what happens. But as of now, we can see the market is taking support around the 50 moving average on the hourly chart. If we move to the 15-minute chart, you can see the 200 moving average provided support to the market here. So my dear friends, if you have any buy right now, you can also hold your buy position like me with your stop loss around this area. Because if market breaks 74.73, then gold will be under pressure and you can expect further downside. So if you have any buy, you can hold your buy position. And if you're looking for fresh positions in the market, then as I said, you need to stick to the levels. That is the best strategy. The first level that we need to discuss is 335240. Remember 5248, 5248. Yes, the support of 5248 is still very much valid. If market drops, then we can expect another good support around this area. But the problem is that 5248 is far away from the current market price, so we can also look for a support around 58 as well. Yes, you can see a black line here. Okay, this black line, okay, this black line is also a support on the chart of gold. If you are wondering why are we considering for 50 to 48, or why 50 to 48 is the best support, then the reason is, okay, simple. We have discussed earlier also many times. Previous resistance working as support, then we also had FIBO. I do not want to show again and waste time, and we have 50 as a round number. So this is the best support. We are considering 40 or 58 because, okay, because we are expecting, okay, some sort of FIBO support here. Okay, then we are also expecting minor support around 3367, 3365. Okay, this box here, this box, okay, we discussed yesterday also. Okay, this box was a support level, so we are expecting this box to provide support to the market again. So far this week, okay, this box has given us good amount of profit. Okay, but still, okay, we can expect one more bounce if the volume is low. So if market drops from the current level, okay, these are the three levels where we can look for a buy position. The best level is 50 to 48, which is far away. So we can also look for support around minor levels like 58, then 65, 67. So these are the three trading opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position if market takes support. Yes, no level is permanent. In case market surprises us with heavy selling volume, okay, you need to respect that, because US session, okay, we do not have any major event, but obviously there can be some sudden selling pressure, isn't it? Okay, so if market takes support, then only hit the buy button. As I always say, my dear friends, do not forget, we are traders, not gamblers. Do not trade blindly. Respect your hard-earned money. And on the upside, things are not very clear because, see, as we all know, on the lower time frame, the market structure is higher highs and higher lows. In a market structure like this, okay, taking a sell position at previous high is not a good decision because market is breaking the previous high and going up. So obviously you should avoid selling at the previous high. So here, okay, you need to observe the market around 3400, 3410. Okay, you can see we have switched to the hourly time frame to understand it better. This big box, okay, is going to cause some trouble. Okay, 3400 to 3410 because of previous resistance around this area. As a day trader, we can expect some selling pressure around here. If market reverses, we can look for a sell position. But as you can see, it's a big zone. Okay, sorry, my dear friend, I cannot help it. It's a zone, okay, not in my hand. Okay, you can see market has faced severe selling pressure previously, so we are expecting another selling pressure today as well. And for a clean breakout, okay, for a clean breakout, market needs to break 3410. If you see that during the US session, market has crossed 3410, market is comfortably trading above 3410, then only go for a buy. Okay, otherwise buying at breakout. Okay, till yesterday we were looking for buying at breakout, but today buying at breakout can be risky. So that's why I am not recommending any buying at breakout. If you have any buy, you can hold your buy. If market drops, we can look for buy and retracement around the support levels that I mentioned. But as of now, I do not see any good buying opportunity and breakout. If market reverses, as a day trader, we can look for a sell position for 70-80 pips. Otherwise, 3410, 3400 can cause some trouble. If market breaks it, we can look for buy. If you see that market has been trading above 3410 for 4 to 5 hours, then you can consider. But as of now, personally, I have no plans to buy. Okay. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. If you are still not a part of that free Telegram community, feel free to join, because if anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the Telegram group, because uploading a video won't be possible for me. Okay, we will again meet tomorrow. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.